There are a lot of factors to consider when choosing the proper switch for your enterprise. How many devices at a particular location would you need to support? Do any of the devices require power? What type of security measures would you like to take at the access layer of the network? What speeds will the organization's applications require for optimal user satisfaction? How quickly after a failure would the applications require convergence? How would you like to manage the switches? Cisco offers a range of switch products with an abundance of services for various enterprises that provide answers to all these questions. The Cisco Catalyst Compact 2960CX and 3560CX switches offer enterprise-class features. These compact switches offer performance with 8 or 12 gigabit Ethernet ports with 10 gigabit fiber uplinks, mGig ports to support next-generation 802.11ac wireless, Power over Ethernet plus PoE plus support with up to 240 watts of PoE budget, and perpetual PoE providing uninterrupted power to a powered-down device, even when the switch is booting. This eliminates the need for a backup power source. Cloud and systems management with these compact switches can be done in a variety of ways. Cisco Prime Infrastructure provides comprehensive network lifecycle management with an extensive library of features that automate initial and day-to-day management. Cisco Prime integrates hardware and software platform expertise and operational experiences into a powerful set of workflow-driven configuration, monitoring, troubleshooting, reporting, and administrative tools. Cisco Network Assistant is a PC-based centralized network management and configuration application for small and medium-sized businesses, SMB, with up to 250 users. An intuitive GUI lets you easily apply common services across Cisco switches, routers, and access points. Cisco Active Advisor is a cloud-based service that provides essential lifecycle information about your network inventory available by itself or as a component of other Cisco network management applications. It helps you reduce your network's overall risk by keeping you up to date on the status of your products. Cisco Catalyst switches like the 2960CX and 3560CX series switches provide a rich and comprehensive set of security features designed to secure the network from traffic interception, spoofing, and denial of service, DOS attacks, and protect confidentiality and integrity of network traffic through hardware encryption. Secure network access based on user identity and user role, and provision device-based policies through device profiling, as well as securely boot digitally signed Cisco iOS software images with Trust Anchor. IT simplicity is provided through Smart Operations, features that simplify LAN deployment, configuration, and troubleshooting. Cisco Smart Install enables the configuration of the Cisco iOS software image and switch without user intervention. Cisco Auto Smart Ports provide automatic configuration as end devices connect to the switch port, allowing auto detection and plug and play of the device onto the network. Interface templates containing configurations or policies that can be applied to ports are also supported. Cisco Smart Troubleshooting is an extensive array of debug diagnostic commands and system health checks, including generic online diagnostics, Gold, and onboard failure logging, OBFL. And finally, Plug and Play, PNP, is a secure, scalable solution that accelerates network device deployments by automating the installation and configuration of Cisco iOS software. The Cisco Catalyst 3560CX and 2960CX switches are network PNP ready and can be used as part of the APIC EM solution for automated switch deployments. This feature helps improve productivity, cut costs, reduce downtime, and enhance the user experience. First, we will take a look at the on-premise Cisco Catalyst Enterprise Class switching portfolio. The entry-level Cisco Catalyst switches include compact 2960CX and 3560CX series switches. These 8 to 12 PoE-capable port switches were created for branch locations where space is tight. With their quiet, fanless design and compact footprint, these switches can come out of the data closet and be placed closer to the users. This means shorter cable runs, and these switches can be mounted on the wall, under a desk, rack, DIN rail, or practically anywhere they are needed. The Cisco Catalyst 2960L series is designed not only for the branch, but also as an entry-level campus access switch supporting more devices, having up to 48 1-gig ports with 2 to 4 1-gig uplinks. Depending upon the model, the 2960L can also provide from 67 watts to 370 watts of total power for its connected PoE devices. One of the more interesting features of the 2960L is its ability to use Bluetooth as a cable-free console connection for local configuration. For branches or campus access layer solutions, which require a multi-layer switch having the ability to route between VLANs, we have the Cisco Catalyst 2960X and XR series switches. With the 2960X XR switches, you have from 24 to 48 PoE-capable ports and jump to 10-gig uplink ports. These switches are scalable and resilient with Cisco FlexStack Plus. Stacking with the Cisco 2960X XR allows up to 8 switches to be configured and act as a single switching unit, delivering 80 gig speeds. As a network sensor type of device, the Cisco 2960X XR series provides the tools you need to detect suspicious traffic flows and policy violations within your environment. Managed through the ICE server, Cisco StealthWatch uses NetFlow data captured on the 2960X XR switch as an input to help organizations detect behaviors linked to a wide range of attacks, including advanced persistent threats, APT, distributed denial of service, DDoS, and insider threats. Finally, for campus access in enterprises which require a full-featured solution, there are the Cisco Catalyst 3650 series switches. With these switches, you have from 24 to 48 PoE-capable ports and jump to 2 by 40 gig uplink ports. Select models support UPoE, which extends the IEEE PoE Plus standard to double the power per port to 60 watts. It can extend resilient network power to a broad range of devices, including virtual desktop terminals, IP turrets, compact switches, building management gateways, and LED lights. The 3650 series is built on the advanced Cisco StackWise 160, which creates a unified system of up to 9 switches, providing simplified management, redundancy, and a stack bandwidth of 160 gigabits per second. A network acting as an enforcer type of device, the Cisco 3650 series uses Cisco TrustSec with Cisco Identity Services Engine, ICE, to segment your network and enforce role-based, topology-independent, and access-independent access control. With Cisco TrustSec technology, you can control access to network segments and resources by context, end user, device, and location according to your security policy. The 3650 series has an integrated wireless controller capability with support for up to 50 access points and 1,000 wireless clients on each switching entity, switch, or stack. And with the 3650 series having multi-gigabit N-base T-ports, they're ready to support wireless 802.11ac Wave 2. Cisco Catalyst multi-gigabyte technology supports auto-negotiation of multiple speeds on switch ports. The supported speeds are 100 meg, 1 gig, 2.5 gig, and 5 gigabits per second on Cat 5e cable, and up to 10 gig over a Cat 6Z cabling. As a final note, you'll notice on the far right of the slide that all Cisco Catalyst switches are equipped with advanced capabilities to enable full lifecycle management through the APIC-EM programmability, providing the SD access solution we previously discussed. Next, we'll take a look at the Cisco Business Class Small and Medium-Sized Business Switching Portfolio. The Cisco 220 series switches are affordable, smart switches equipped with enhanced security, intelligence, and performance. These switches deliver an excellent combination of features, performance, and ease of use to build a fast, reliable, and highly secure network at an affordable price. With enhanced features such as Access Control List, ACL, Command Line Interface, CLI, and Power over Ethernet Plus, or PoE Plus, these switches improve the productivity and also meet the evolving network demands of the future. The Cisco 250 series switches are the next generation of affordable smart switches that combine powerful network performance and reliability with the essential network management features needed for a solid business network. These expandable fast Ethernet or gigabit Ethernet switches provide basic management, security, and quality of service beyond those of an unmanaged or consumer-grade switch at a cost lower than managed switches. With an easy-to-use web user interface, auto smart ports, and flexible Power over Ethernet (PoE) capabilities, these switches can be deployed in minutes. The Cisco 350 series switches are a broad portfolio of fixed configuration managed switches that provides a reliable foundation for business networks. These switches support advanced security and network features needed to support business-class data, voice, and wireless technology. Easy to set up and use, the Cisco 350 series switches offer the advanced capabilities needed for small businesses at an affordable price and help to create a more efficient, better connected workforce. The range of management capabilities supported by these switches make them an ideal choice as an access layer switch for any environment ranging from small businesses to medium enterprises. The Cisco 350X series stackable managed switches are Cisco's most cost-effective stackable managed Ethernet switches. Simple to deploy and manage, the SG350X models offer 24 or 48 ports of gigabit Ethernet connectivity with 10 gigabit uplinks, or 12 to 48 ports of 10 gigabit connectivity, providing a solid foundation for current business applications as well as those of the future. The advanced features set, along with management capabilities offered by these switches, can make them an ideal choice as aggregation switches, access switches, or server room switches for any environment that is looking for a reliable solution at an affordable price range. The Cisco 550X series switches are the next generation stackable managed Ethernet switches. These switches support the advanced capabilities and superior performance needed to support a more demanding network environment at an affordable price. Equipped with a wide variety of management capabilities, security, and network features, and 1 gig or 10 gig port configuration options, the Cisco 550X series switches provide a solid foundation for the bandwidth-hungry business applications. The routing and redundancy features supported by these switches make them an ideal choice as aggregation, access, or server room switches in any demanding network environment. Next, we have the cloud-managed Cisco Meraki Access and Branch Switching Portfolio. The Cisco Meraki MS228 series switches provide Layer 2 access switching in a fanless, compact form factor with integrated PoE. All models include 8 1-gig ERJ45 ports and 1-gig ESFP ports for fiber uplink, integrated mounting brackets, and a Kensington security slot, making them ideal for rapid and secure deployment in small branches. The Cisco Meraki M225 series switches provide Layer 2 access switching and are ideal for deploying in a branch or as a campus access switch. The M225 series comes with either 24 or 48 1 gigabit ports and 4 10-gig SFP plus uplinks on every model. This family also supports physical stacking with support for up to 8 stacked members for built-in redundancy and 80 gig performance. For branches or campus access switches where routing is required, we move to the Cisco Meraki MS250 series switches. In addition to the Layer 3 services of the MS250, what differentiates it from the MS225 series is its support for redundant, hot-swappable power supplies for mission-critical networks. Finally, for campus access in enterprises which require a high-performance solution, there is the Cisco Meraki MS350 series switches. With the MS350, we have support for UPoE to provide up to 60 watts of power per port and N-base-T multi-gigabit ports for high-bandwidth applications. Also, physical stacking speeds increase to 160 gigabits per second, and fans, like the power supplies, become swappable as well.